Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to embed Shopify products on WordPress or any other website. So for example, if you want to add Shopify products onto your Google sites or any other type of website, you'll be able to do that with the steps that I'm about to show you. The first thing I want you to do, once on your Shopify website, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to select apps. After selecting apps, you are going to type in the search bar buy button. Then you are going to tap on enter. After tapping on enter, you will be redirected to this page and I want you to select buy button channel. So you are going to tap on that. Then you are going to tap on add app, and by the way, you can see that this app was created by Shopify. So you are going to tap on add app. Next, you are going to tap on add sales channel in the top right hand corner. And after you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard on which you can complete the setting up of the buy button. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Then you are going to tap on create buy button, and as you can see right here, with this you'll be able to sell your products online and let customers check out right away. And you can add this buy button to a website or blog. So we'll tap on create buy button and you will see two options. You can either create a buy button for a product or you could create a buy button for a collection. For this example, I'll select product. Then you'll search for the product, for example this product right here. Then tap on select. After you have selected the product, you'll be led to this dashboard on which you'll be able to customize how it will look on your website. As you can see right here, this is how it is going to be looking on the WordPress website. Now to edit this, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you can select the variant that you would like to use. So if you don't want to use all variants, you could select a particular variant that you would like to use. But for this example, I'll leave it at all variants. Then you can also change the layout style from classic to basic, as you can see right here. Or you can change it to full view. So you can see right here, it will basically be a full page. For this example, I will leave it at classic. Then you can also see action when people click, and you can tap on that, whether you would like it when they click on the button to go to add to cart, as you can see right here, or whether you would like to direct to checkout, or whether you would like to open product details. You can select any one of these options. For this example, I leave it at direct to checkout, and you can also change the button style by tapping on button style right here. You will be able to change the button color, so you can select whichever color you want. So let's say for example I want it a slight yellow color. I could do that by simply tapping on the yellow right here, as you can see right there. And you can also change the button text. If you wanted to type something else or to change the color of the text, you can do that. So you can see right there. And you can also change the button size, meaning the font size better yet. You can change that also, and you can also change the button text. So let's say I want to use this right here, this font. You can see how it looks. And we can also change how the button appears by changing the width. And we can also adjust the corners by pulling along the slider right here. After you're finished, you'll go back. And then from here you could scroll down, and from here you could select layout. And again, you could change the image size, which will be the product size right here. So at the moment it is at small, but if you want it to be in medium, you could select medium. And you can see how it will look at medium. Or if you would want it to be at large, you can see how it look at large. But for this example, I will leave it at medium. And you can also change the alignment from center to left or to right. It all depends on you. and you can scroll down, and if you would like to change the button text from buy now, you can do that. And you can also see right where it says show quantity field. I could add that if I want, or I can leave it as is. And you can also change the product title color. You can change the price color, and you can also change the variant color, and you can change the font size if you want also. Once everything is to your liking, you are going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. And from here, you will see the option copy code. And you can also see that you can get the buy button on these website styles. But we'll select copy code. After you have copied the code, you are going to go into WordPress. And once in WordPress, let's say for example, you want to add it to a particular post. You could tap on all posts, or I could tap on add new. Let's say I want to create a new post. So I'll tap on add new from the left hand menu option. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next is you are going to see the plus right here. Let's say I add a product name. So headlamp. To do next is tap on the plus. And from here, you are going to tap on custom HTML. And then you are going to paste the code that you had copied. After you have pasted the code, you are going to tap on preview. And you can see how it looks right here. As you can see right there. And all you'll have to do now is tap on, for example, if you want to preview it, you could tap on preview. Then I could select how I want to preview it. So I'll tap on preview in new tab to see how it looks and give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, you can see right there how it looks now. And persons can tap on my buy now to make a purchase. You can see how it look right there. So all I have to do is tap on publish, and that page will be published. But let me show you another way how to do it. For example, if you would like to add it to your widget or to your sidebar, I'll show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do, let me go back real quick. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see appearance, you're going to tap on appearance, and from here you want to select widgets. After selecting widgets, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you will see the option sidebar. And to add an HTML code to your sidebar, all you have to do, you're going to tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from here, you want to scroll down as we want to add a custom HTML. So we are looking for custom HTML. You can see it right here. You're going to tap on that, and you can drag it to the sidebar. So right where you want to add it, let's say I want to add mine right here. Then you are going to paste the link. And now that we have pasted the link, if we were to tap on preview, you will see how it looks right there. Then you'll tap on update. Now that you have updated it and you have created it, what you're going to do next, if you would like to preview this, all you have to do is go back onto your website. So we'll tap on visit site. Then if I were to open any one of these posts, you will see it in the right hand corner right here. You can see it right there, and that's it. Also, if you would like to add this, for example, to your Google Sites, once on Google Sites, as you can see right here, what I want you to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see embed right here, you will simply tap and drag that and place it on your Google site. So for example, I'll add that box right here. Tap on embed. Then you're going to select embed code, and you're going to paste the code right here. After you have pasted the code, you're going to tap on next. Then from here, you're going to tap on insert. You can see how it looks. You can see a preview of how it looks. Then you will tap on insert. And you can see that the product is being added to my Google site, as you can see right here. And from here you can edit it to your liking. So you can simply pull down that section so that the entire thing is showing. And that's it. You'll simply tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it. And you can do this with whatever type of website you're using. You will be able to add your Shopify product onto it as quick and as easily as possible. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.